Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside the file you want to edit. Open Find immediately so you can act. Press Ctrl+F or CMD+F to locate the word, then expand to replace with Ctrl+H or CMD+Option+F. Once done, check the Find input and type the exact word or phrase you want to change. Make sure you set case sensitivity or whole word if you only want exact matches, because that prevents accidental replacements later in the file. Now refine how Vscode matches text so you replace correctly. Toggle case sensitivity or whole word to avoid partial hits. Use the rejects option for patterns like \B or digit groups. Once you have the match list, navigate occurrences with the up/down arrows and visually confirm each one. If replacing multiple instances, use replace next to step through, or replace all when you are confident. This controlled approach prevents wide-scale mistakes and helps you understand why a match occurred. To replace across files, open the global search with Ctrl+Shift+H or CMD+Shift+H and enter the target word and replacement. Once results populate, review file by file in the results panel and use replace in file or replace all sparingly. You can stage which files to change. After running replacements, make sure to run tests or open changed files. If something goes wrong, undo immediately with Ctrl+Z or revert the file from source control. This troubleshooting step saves time and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.